Hi, I'm Graeme from Hawkins Plumbing, and today I'm going to show you how to make a watertight joint using Teflon tape on a threaded piece of pipe. Now, the threaded pipe that I'm using is plastic. I prefer using Teflon tape on a plastic thread. If you need to make a waterproof joint on a metal pipe, you can use tape, but I prefer to use hemp. I think it does a better job for you. Okay, now we've got a plastic thread. I've got my Teflon tape, 15 or 20 millimeter pipe thread. You can get this in different sizes, but I'd use one that's about 10 millimeters wide, the actual tape. Okay, now when you're applying it, you need to think about which way the pipe is going to screw into your fitting, and this is actually going to turn clockwise. Okay, so what you want to do is you want to have your tape so that it winds onto the pipe, so that it actually tightens up as it winds into the socket. If you wind it the wrong way, it will actually wind out of the thread and you won't have a watertight joint at all. So what you do is, I hold the pipe in my right hand and I hold the tape in my left hand, as you can see here, and I have the tape sitting so that it actually comes out from the bottom of the roll and sits over the top of the pipe like that, and I just pin it there with my finger. So I'd have it like that. Now if you were going to do it the other way around, you would have it coming so that it's off the top and it would come underneath and roll around that way. Okay, so this is the way that I do it. So again, like that. Now the other thing that you can do is, if you start your tape one or two threads back from the front, especially if it's plastic, so that when you wind it in, it'll give the thread a chance to grab into the socket, and then you can wind it in so you make sure you haven't cross-threaded the pipe. But basically you get it like that and you wind it on, and you do it probably about 10 times. And when you're going around that, what it allows you to do is it actually allows you to pull that nice and tight. Okay? Once you get to the end of it, all you got to do is hold that and pull it, and it'll snap the tape. Just smooth it off around there. And I've got a couple of threads here that have not got tape on them, so that when I put it into my socket, it binds in nicely into the thread, and then I start winding in, and you can feel it biting on there. Get a crescent, just tighten that up, and that, if you've done all of that, will give you a watertight joint. So that's it for today, and thanks for watching this tip from Hawkins Plumbing.